Hey Vistamar students and staff, welcome to the most educational part of your day. So rumor has it I'm starting a video production club. Well, what's that?
For the freshmen in the audience, a video production club is a club dedicated to the production of video. You think they'll get that?
I think they'll get you. So video production is all about making the world seem more interesting than it actually is.
For example, so far this video has been no better than real life.
It's boring. I mean, nothing's happened yet except a tall, sexy guy has been talking for 10 seconds. And the guy next to him has been looking constipated.
Yeah, wait, what?
Let's make things interesting. Let's get some camera shake. More camera shake.
Makes it feel like you're there.
Now what's with this aspect ratio? Are we filming a birthday party? Make it widescreen.
More widescreen.
More widescreen.
Too much widescreen.
Now this ain't gonna be a good video unless we got some color correction. Make it funky.
Not too funky. Keep it tasteful.
Now video production is all about quick changes.
For example, now we're 3 yards away.
Now we're in a classroom.
Now we're on the roof. Now we're in space.
Now we have hats. Now what's up with this setting? A warehouse parking lot?
Let's make it battle scar.
Let's add some craters. And some rubble.
And some graffiti on the walls.
Now what about some fight sequence? We need some good and evil. Some protagonist and antagonist.
Some motifs and metaphors and deeper meaning.
What?
Dude, you have to entertain the English department.
Dude, no.
Oh.
No.
Hey, who's that?
Sam. Wait. Lightsaber fights are nerdy. I know, let's have a gunfight.
Whoa, dude. I don't think that's morning meeting appropriate.
Yeah, I guess so. Wait! Let's have a Nerf gunfight!
Well...
Oh, come on, we've seen far worse in morning meeting.
I'm a model, you know what I mean, and I do my little turn on the catwalk. Yeah, on the catwalk.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, Nerf gunfight!
Malcolm! Help!
Whoa! Finish him, man. Oh, yeah, finish him.